Philippines is full of beautiful beaches, green forests, and amazing animals.
But many of these are in danger because of human activities like cutting trees, pollution, and overfishing.
That's why biodiversity conservation is so important. It is about protecting all living things around us.
Biodiversity means the variety of life, plants, animals, and even the smallest organism.
In the Philippines, we have thousands of species that can only be found here, but many are now endangered.
So if we lose biodiversity, we lose food, medicine, and natural balance that keeps our world alive.
Nature protects us. It gives us air, water, and life. We need to protect it too.
We can start small, avoid plastic, and throw our trash properly.
So join tree planting, cleanup drives, or any activities that helps the environment.
Most importantly, share awareness so more people will care and take action. Protecting biodiversity means protecting our future.
Let's all work together for a cleaner and greener Philippines.